What's up, guys? Today's day 7 of living out here in my truck camper. I gotta head to work for a bit, and then I will catch up with you guys. Beautiful. Nice little camp spot for the night. Next time I'll definitely grab some firewood. That way I can have a campfire out here. I was wanting to last night, but the sticks that I was getting were just a little too damp. It would have been a tiny little fire anyway. It would have lasted like 5 minutes. But yeah, I'm gonna get some coffee first and then head to work. But I will catch up with you guys a little bit later. Look at my puppy. Buddy.
Guess what just arrived in your neighborhood? Scan the code.
I actually have today off. We do construction and stuff, and my dad's gotta line some stuff up. But I'm just gonna get some gas and some coffee, and then try editing some videos and stuff so I can catch up on that. Coffee. What's up, guys? I ran to Walmart and got a little snack. More like a lunch, but I like savory food for breakfast, to be honest, so don't judge me. I'm gonna edit for a while, and then I will catch up with you guys. So hopefully I can finish this and then go find a place with Wi-Fi. Maybe just go to my mom's house so I can upload it. She undercharged me. That was nice of her. She charged me for the 8-piece boneless meal, but one meat and a side, I know those are like $7. She charged me $5.97. Some cheese curds, some wedges, some barbecue chicken. Yummy. Just got done editing, so now I've got to go somewhere and get some Wi-Fi, upload it. My dad gave me a key for the shop where I'm keeping my motorcycle, so I think I'm gonna go get that and throw my computer in a backpack and probably run over to my mom's house. That way I can upload it with her Wi-Fi. Yeah. It's such a beautiful day. It's too nice not to ride. Alright guys, here's my motorcycle. I'm about to hop on this thing, and yeah, we'll see what happens from there. Talk to you soon. So I ended up staying at my mom's last night so I could upload my video and just hang out with the siblings. Yeah, I've got to go to work for a bit, and then I'm gonna find a spot to camp for tonight. So I will catch up with you guys when I'm off of work. What's up, guys? I just got off of work a little bit ago, and I was just chilling over here at my dad's house for a bit. Ate a small dinner, nothing too crazy, just a brat, some coleslaw and baked beans. Sounds like a lot when I say it like that. And I was just editing a bit, but yeah, It's beautiful out, so I want to find a trail, maybe do some hiking. It's like mid 70s right now, so I want to take advantage of this weather. I think I found a cool little spot. It's actually just up the road from here. Yeah, I think I found a spot that has a little mini waterfall. It's 5 minutes from me, so see what's going on at this little trail over here. Ooh, that's bright. Okay. I may or may not have bumped the guardrail up in the front. Oops. Thankfully, it was just my license plate that bumped it. And it wasn't too hard either, so we're good. Yikes. There we go, just stay there. All right. Look at all the candy my mom gave me for Easter. I haven't even really been eating it because I don't like to eat that much sugar, but I might grab a little piece. Let's go with that one. Let's do it. It says there's a trail over here, but I'm gonna make sure. I don't see a trail, like entrance anywhere. Are you kidding me, Google? Hold on. Let me look this up. See if Google's just tripping. I mean, it looks like it's just showing up this direction. We'll try that out. Look at that. I found it. Google Maps was just being confusing. That's pretty. Just all shaded now. I like the sunlight, but it's kind of a cool vibe when you walk into the forest and it just gets kind of dark. Oh, this is sick, man. It's just tucked away, no signs or anything. Illinois is a very hilly state, that's for sure. So obviously this is day 8. I know I stayed at my mom's last night and stuff, but it's nice to hang out with some of my siblings. It's only been a couple of my siblings out of all of them that I have. Oh look, there's some deer back there. I can't see them through all the brush. But yeah, I have 7 siblings. In case you guys were wondering, I've got 2 brothers and 5 sisters, and they're all pretty cool. Somewhat. Just playing, guys. And most of them watch my channel, so appreciate that. But yeah, I just really appreciate all the support from you guys. Just every video, you guys are supporting me. You all are awesome. Hey buddy, what's up? Oh man, I love nature. That's so cool. I took a shortcut. There's no cliff, so I had to make do. Hi. How you doing? That's so cool, man. You don't really see wildlife like this too many places. This area in particular, whenever I'm driving by on the main road, because we actually built a couple houses in this neighborhood like last year and the year before that. You always see deer when you're driving, but not this many. I'm probably gonna see another one here in a second. Oh, there, what did I say? There's another one. Hey, big boy. Or girl. Have a good night. See you later. What did I tell you? Oh, wow. There's 2 more right there. Hey, guys. What you doing down there? Oh, okay. They're not quite as friendly. They didn't want to talk. Maybe next time. So many. That was over the course of like 2 minutes. That's crazy. So sick, man. Alright guys, the sun's about to set and I found a sign that said exit, so I figure I might as well take that out. That way I don't get lost in the dark. You can see the sun's literally about to set over there. I'll catch up with you guys here in a few. That was a really pretty hike. I'm glad I found the trail. That was sick. That's a beautiful sunset right there. Gorgeous. I love it. I walked a little further than I thought I did. It's so easy to just keep hiking and not realize how far you went on a trail. Once you get back on the street, you're like, oh, okay. That was fun. I didn't think I would see that many deer. That's cool. I didn't find the waterfall, if you didn't notice. The trail that I went on just kind of did a bunch of loops, and the sun was setting, so I didn't really have time to follow it all the way to the end. But next time I come here, I'll definitely try to find that waterfall and see what that's all about. I still had a ton of fun though just then. That was more beautiful than I thought it was gonna be. The deer helped. All right, I'm on my way now to find a camping spot. Maybe hit the store first, get a little snack or something, and I will catch up with you guys. All right, guys. Just gonna run in here and grab a salad. I want to eat something healthy, so. All right, got a salad. I'm gonna go grab some ice and then head to my camping spot. This is probably gonna melt by tomorrow, but hey. Let's head to our spot, guys. Look at that sunset. That's beautiful. I think I decided I'm gonna head to Bass Pro Shops for tonight. I apologize for not really mixing it up, but I'm sure you guys don't really care too much, right? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. So I'll catch you there. Man, we got people blasting through this parking lot. They're in a hurry to get somewhere. I'm gonna eat my salad, and I think I'm gonna work on editing some videos for a bit. I might go for a little walk first though, just kind of look at the sunset. Just gonna set that there for a minute. That is beautiful. Gorgeous. This is an awesome spot, honestly. For one of the few free spots to park at, it's one of the prettier views around here. It is such a beautiful night, guys. 71 degrees right now. This is my favorite type of weather. I love it. I'm gonna head back to the camper, and then I'm probably gonna edit for a bit, eat my salad, and then I will catch up with you guys before I head to bed, unless I end up doing something else, and then I'll catch up with you then. There we go. Alright guys, so it's closing in on midnight. I just about finished that video, thankfully. And I think I'm gonna go for a little walk. It's beautiful out. I gotta grab my shoes though. Stuck them out here. Gonna go for a little walk like I said, and then probably kick it here in a few. It's getting to that time. The videos take me a little bit to edit. It's been a while since I've edited videos and stuff, and I love it. It's a ton of fun, so I'm really glad you guys are enjoying them. I'm really thankful for you guys for watching the videos, and I'm glad to be making videos again finally. It's been a long time. When I was younger, me and my siblings always used to make like just goofy little sketch videos. They were fun, but these are a little different. So anyway, I'm gonna go for a walk. So let's do it. It's such a beautiful night, man. My guess is it's like 65, 62. Not bad. I love nightlife in the city at night. It's a cool spot, man. They've got this trail that goes like all the way. I don't even know how far it goes. I know at least all the way around like the back of Walmart, which is like right here. Then it goes back the other way too, which I don't think I've ever walked that way. Staying in a truck camper and just kind of parking up around the city just gives it a new feel. I like it. Can't say I would have been doing this right now. It's cool. Definitely is making me just appreciate my hometown more, because this is awesome. But yeah, I'm just enjoying every moment I get. It's a party up in here. Yeah, this one. Watch. That's what I need for dramatic effect when I clap all the time. So yeah, I'm gonna head to bed and get up bright and early. I appreciate all you guys for watching. It's so cool to see. Hope you guys have a good day or a good night, whatever time you watch this. Appreciate all you for watching. I guess I'll see you in the morning. You guys are awesome.